Namaste Harold. My name is Amit. I'm the person that you have been dealing with. So, as per your request, I want to show you how we make. Now we have to take the design that you have chosen. So this is the jacket that you have chosen, right? So now we have to put the patterns in this area. For that, first we need to find out the space. How many space do you have? So we'll do that simply by taking the measurement. So we have to measure the breadth and height of the space. So we have here 16 in a breadth and around like 4.5 inch in height. So we have to note it down in a piece of paper. So we have a height. Let's go to 4.5 and breadth is 6 inch. So once we have done that, now we have to focus on in how much is a knitted row in 1 inch in height and breadth. So we take 1 inch, right? So we count the knit. Like in 1 inch there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you note it down again. So knit it. Row is 6 piece per inch, and in breadth wise, or you can say column, there is 1, 2, 3, 4. So knitted column wise 4 piece per inch. Alright, so we have these two figures. Now we have to do the calculation. So like the height is like a column, so that means 4.5 into 6 b into column, that is 6 into 4. So we have the figure 24 and 27, right? Yeah. So we have space like in row, means we have like 27 row space and 24 column. So in this area we need to make a patterns, you can say draft. So we take this figure into our computer. Before that, let me first tell you something about the patterns. Okay, if we have more space, it is easy to make the patterns and it would look similar to the draft which you have given. But if there is a limited space like this kind of thing, then it is a little bit difficult to get the clear picture. For an example, if you had like this kind of big patterns of the moose, as you can see, is clear, more good, clear, more realistic. But in small space like this, it's hard to do it because we don't have so much space. Anyway, alright, so now I'm gonna show you how we do it in our computer, right? So once we take the figure, we'll put that figure in the computer. So we had before 27 by 24, yeah? So 27 is a row, so we take the row 27. And 24 is a column, so we take 24 is the column. Yeah. Now we make the graph in this area, and then we'll do the adjust the height and column. So now we put the picture at the background of the graph. You can do that like we can do it with the background. Yeah. So once we do that, so we need to adjust now the graph that can fit the picture. So we adjust the seat. Yeah. Yeah, more or less this is good. So once we do that, we mark the draft, you know, in the area where, like that. So you have to do it all everywhere where there is a picture, like that. So once we do that, we'll have like that. So this is a graph we will have later on, and we can see it more clearly when we minimize the seed like this. You can see the draft. Yeah, I've done similar with this polar bear, black bear, as you can see. Well, this one has around 60 to 57 column, which is too wide. So the picture is clear, but it needs more space. So this is space which we need, but the picture is not clear. So we are having problems in this. So yeah. So we print out this graph. So once after printing it out, we follow this pattern while making it. So now I hope you understand the way we make our patterns. But like I said, the more space we have, the more easy and more clear it will be. But the more narrow spaces, more small spaces, more difficult.